So I have a cam. There's a cam now. Okay. So what fixed it? Basically what I did is I did reset the camera settings that might solve it. But I'm a little unhappy about that. I have no idea. I never changed anything in the settings of the camera inside of Windows. I don't even know why what this does. And maybe some weird hack tried to get access to my camera. But if you want to see me at private time, I usually close the camera. There's thing here that I can close. So hacks won't do that. But sometimes I forget, so I forget to close it. So maybe you see something naughty and I'm happy about that. But okay, normally you don't hack my camera. Or just don't hack people at all. It's not a good thing to do. But maybe if it turns you on. No, don't hack me, because I didn't mind that much for my privacy, but it's bad for my networking, and people might use my GPU to farm bitcoins and stuff. Yeah, that's not nice. That's not nice. So I'm still setting up my whole setup right here, because I didn't have the time for that right now, since I restarted my whole PC. Yeah, I restarted my whole PC. Tried Windows updates, everything, until the damn camera works, and that's just. I just said to myself, okay, I have two choices now. I can either just take it, say the camera doesn't work anymore sometimes, and unplug it, plug it in every time in my daily life. Or I can just fix this damn problem. So yeah, I fixed the problem. So here we are. I really hate that we left the stream back then, because it was back then when I was really enjoying the music, and then bam, you're out of your topic that right there. I really don't like that. And now everything is lagging. Okay. That's problems with Unity. Maybe because Unity was correctly started. Now let's look at my not the project settings. Let's look at the preferences and look if Unity has been set up at the custom Unity default Unity editor inside of the external tools. There we have Rider, so it's correctly set up. We can also look into the package manager and see if we have the latest JetBrains Rider support. You can update that. Okay. There are multiple things that we can update. Tiny 2D time map extras. Ooh, I'm not going to update them now. To do that later. And help with the package. And I will update those two later when we are going to update Unity, but this will not be today. I just have 1 hour of streaming left. I'm going to stream till 23 o'clock, and then I will just have to go to bed immediately and then go to work. But that's my weekend. Coding, workout, coding. At least I'm really good at both things. Now, I didn't work out today. I did play Jugger with a lot of people, and I really enjoy that sport. Yeah, really enjoy that. There's also a stream where you can see me playing Jugger. Still have to download the VODs. Ooh, I really have to download the VODs soon. Because I think they will not be on that for... Oh, I think they are already deleted. Okay, never mind. There were some VODs where I was playing Jugger. And there were some really good turns where I really carried my whole team. Or also turns that were really messy, but yeah. On the other side, the video was shot from far away, and you kind of don't get the same kind of epic trailer video stuff when you're filming from far away. Yeah, you get this football field perspective where everybody is just another ant, and you can see, oh, he's doing something, yay, that guy won the game. So, our problem here is we can try to pick things. We clear the console real fast. Can try to oh, we got something. Did I clear this? Oh, it's coming up again and again. Oh no. And that's also something. These objects here, they shouldn't be in there. These are preview objects. Let's destroy them. And what? Oh, I destroyed the one attached to my mouse. That's okay. That if you destroy that, maybe let's just check it. Come on, really. Why did we not check this? Oh wait. Let's pick this, delete it, and look in which line of code it's trying to access it. So, if this is null, we don't have an object because we deleted it or something weird happened. Create one. Now let's not do that here. Let's do a loop here. And then inside of this loop we just check if there's no preview object. So if we we should do this afterwards. There should never be a case where we I hate this. There should never be a case where the preview objects don't exist. Create object. Wait. We should be able to easily create this tuple with the info that is inside of this. There's a brush and there should be a reference. And then we can just plug it in here. Aha! And then we can say, okay, we can do this here in this for loop. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go try that again. So let's clear the console. We will have to restart because currently I don't like how this is going. Delete this. Oh, and it's waiting infinite. Oh no, stop. It's, oh, and then God damn it. So we need to do a for each loop beforehand. Where we change the list again. So if this is null, we have to create that object, but we also have to remove. An object with this preview info, and this will cause, I think this will bug out. I think this will say we can't edit the preview info object while we are working with it. It's not telling us any suggestion here, but I think we need to copy this. If I remember this right, we need to copy this list and then use that to do our stuff. So everything's normal. Yeah, and it says invalid operation. We cannot edit this. Let's go over. Let's so we need to create a list with preview info. We call it preview infos copy. And this will be the same. It's preview infos. It's a little bit annoying to do this every time. I don't think there's no way around this. And yeah, then we don't work with this and edit it anymore. I think that was the default solution. No, it isn't. We have to. No, we reference it, but we don't copy it. Ugh. So for this we have to say new list, and put the previews inside. So this is, I think then it's a new list and not a copy. Yeah, and if I delete the leaf that I'm drawing with, it's just going to replace it with another leaf and say, hey, you have a preview there. No. At least we don't get that bug anymore. Let's save this and open the project again. Because this package error is quite annoying. And then we can actually work on the thing that we are working on. But hey, we added a feature there. We've solved the bug in 10 minutes. And 10 minutes for how hard is this bug? I think it's a medium bug. I don't know. No, I'm really stressed out because I think this bug should be solved in 5 minutes. I would expect that from a normal coder, but the coders that I'm working with, give them a day for this, and they still can't deliver. That's the harsh reality. And then I think I can do that by myself. Well, there's no sense in hiring such people. Let me check something real quick. No, I was just checking the cats. Okay. Phew, okay, so we still have a lot of tasks ahead. So the goal for now is to make this work. So what we can... Oh, I can paint? Oh, this is the default brush, yeah, okay, that's not my brush. You can, with my brush, you can paint in a lot of stuff here. And then pick that, and now we have it attached to our mouse. Now then when I draw them in, wow, oh! Okay, that's actually a really interesting feature. What? What the hell? Oh, I think it's because all these values have been reset. Yeah, I have to really make sure these two toggles are on default. Use prefab. I want that this is true on default, and I want to say this should be true on default. Well, it could also be a button here where you just say, hey, constrain this. Oh, it did reset itself here. Interesting. I think we lost some settings there, but I really think this is one of the most interesting. Oh, it's painted. This is so interesting. But then I can't pick them. Oh, it paints them on the roof. What the hell? Why? I really think that this is a beautiful function. It's not supposed to work like this. But, I mean, look at this. Dun, 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 dun. So I'm really looking if it's putting in the next one will be the I don't even know what this leaf is. Really weird. Really weird. And now we have a whole set of leaves. Let's make sure that if we draw them in, that we really clear them out. So with this we are working with on this correct tile map, and then we can't draw. Let's keep working in the on this in the default setting where we are working on our time on this custom timer that I did, because that's the best guess that we have. So what's the problem here? When we try to draw in now, it will say local scale. This cell is null. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I just remember this was one of those bugs that are really hard to hunt down. Use change review. There's the direct log message. Okay. So I think there was still a bug. And I think, yeah, there was still a bug that when we do this, and then if we pick the picker, toggle this, then it's going to have all the objects in the same field, and we don't want that. Actually, these are these are random objects here, and we don't want that. Damn. And it goes inside of this function every time. Creates new preview objects. Okay. So what will this do? It will create a new object, give it to the give it to the yeah, this will create new objects. Nothing more to say about this. Let's see where we did, if we ever call this destroy preview objects function, if that is called ever. Just seeing that and thinking, hey, that maybe we should take a look where we just. I don't see where the objects are destroyed. Yeah, we are creating objects, but why are we creating? Why is this even called? There should be objects already. So let's clear this. Okay, change. Let's select the picker. See. So they have been destroyed. Yeah, and normally. Now destroyed wasn't called. Why was destroyed called? This is the answer that we are looking for. Not why we create them. Because we create them because there are no objects. And then it's automatically going to say, hey, if there's no objects, we need to create new ones. So we destroyed them somewhere. Now I have to find the line. $178. What? On 7. Okay. It's this line of code. So let's maybe look at what if we don't destroy objects on values changed. then it works. Wow, that's messy. You could, don't like this. So it's working like this. So it's also working like this. But now if I pick anything else, oh no, it's why do you need this? Why do we even need this function? It's because we changed the value here, like the scale, max scale. Then it's supposed to destroy the objects and calculate new ones. Yeah, that's why we destroy them on validate. Let's also say, so we could make a bool here that is set to true when we change the values with the pick brush. But I got another idea. If we use the picking tool and values changed, set this to false. This might work. Because it's set to true when we change this value here. So let's select this value here. Yeah, that works. That actually works. That's good. Now we still can't draw with this. That's an issue. No, that's not an issue. We just didn't work on the function. We just didn't work on this at all. So change preview. Where's change? Oh come on! I really need to practice typing. I really hope they would do this in January. Only if we draw, it's fine. On the caster palette, I had a problem with the leaf brush. It should also happen with the vegetation brush. No. Working? No, normally. Okay. Okay, it's just drawing in the leaf if you use the picker tool. And since we have no idea what we're doing with the picker tool, let's how do we box erase? How do we do box erase? I don't know. So let me look at this random brush. So this is the random brush. No. Game object brush. So this also can't box delete or something. Okay. That's not working. And we have this group brush, which does do shit. What? Alpha sort brush. Oh, this. I think this sorts the active time lapse. And then I have my own custom brushes. Okay, so I've no idea how how this is supposed to normally work. So now this is giving me the box function. How did... so normally I do this with the picker and then I can box, draw and delete. Okay. So use the picker. And now should be able to box, draw and delete. Oh, it doesn't. I don't know how this is set up. Maybe add that feature later. It's very useful for the erase function. I think having the box erase would be useful. Yeah. So for this I would need to know how. Let me try that again with the random brush. So. Oh, it does work with the random brush. I think one of those brushes was the shit. Was the template for my brush. I think it was the game object brush. Even though it's really stupid that it sets itself like this. Okay. Let's take another look. So let's look at this droid. What? That's the wrong one. Yeah, I would like get rid of this message. So we want to do the following. We want to be able to draw and we want to be able to box. Let's actually look at Excel. Well, that's been quite some time, but let's look at the sub-step to-do list. And add here add box delete paint add paint after pick and then add group paint shifting, and then we can pretty much start drawing. So come on, is there no dark mode for this? Oh shit. Where's the dark mode? Can't work like this. Let's look. Excel dark mode. So the data, then my account, and then office the design black. Okay, now we actually have a dark mode for Excel. That's important. Can't work like work without dark mode. So now I've yeah, then we are finished. These are all the sub steps that we need to do right now. Then we are finished at least with our current overall task. But these 3 tasks here, they are going to take long. These are no easy task. And the player skills, I don't know, if we use player skills, then we can also clean up player scripts. Yeah. And we can also clean up the player scripts. Just knock the attributes, clean up first level. Redraw first level assets again, and we'll do that again because the first level is the most important level. And with the current tools, we can do things faster. We can rotate. I didn't have these functions when I was drawing the first level, and if I redraw it now with all the tools that I have, and it's going to be much faster. It's going to be much. I'm going to draw 6 times as fast at least, and also have a better quality, because when you can have the tools to do stuff faster, you have more time to think about how you want to put things in. Really, that's an important lesson. Having a good tool is improving the quality of your game. Because you could say, hey, when I have a bad tool, I can still put in a lot of effort. But if you would use the same amount of effort with a better tool, you would get a better result in the same time. And now people think like, hey, what about I just plug in a lot of time? No. That won't work. First of all, we are human. We get frustrated. And second of all, in the gaming industry, people plug in way too much time. Don't compete with that. Okay, let's close this. So, at paint or box? Are related. let's maybe add the box delete pane first, because then we can understand how this even works normally. So how's this supposed to work? So we can't make this work right now, but previously, did it work? I think currently it's just working with box fill. Yeah, that's working completely fine. I'm a little bit, oh wow, that's a little bit disappointed that it's always missing some objects. Not sure if that's correct or not. So boxed was working. So we will be able to draw somehow. So let me look at this random the game object brush, which is a horrible brush, by the way. Because now we have 400 elements. Are you fucking kidding me? And most of them are empty. And they are all empty. So whoever created this brush should maybe use it one time, because it's a horrible brush. You can't even delete the cells. Reset? Oh. So you... How the hell? So you can't delete the cells. Are you fucking kidding me? Whoever programmed that, maybe you should rethink your life. There's the size of the brush. Oh. Isn't that also in my brush? There's the anchor. Oh, we don't have this size. Serialize that field. I'm not sure if it's this field. Or this one. Okay, something fell down here. We'll look for that in just a second. I will look for something fell down. Let me look for that. Probably that was just a cat. So if I put in 2, 2, 2 and want to paint. Ah, that is how we set the size of the brush and how we delete. Okay. Got it. And I think the other cell size is private. This one. That's actually not unpractical. Did it just not? What the fuck? It just deleted half of them. Oh, you really have to be slow with this. Oh, guys, please. Oh, I won't fix that. I won't fix that. No. That's on Unity side. So if you're really fast with the brush, it will skip some frames, and you will miss out some positions. That's bullshit. That's absolutely bullshit. Yeah, but now we have the control over the size. Let's make that private again, and let the user lose the control that he has. So does he set the brush size? Well, we just come on. Let's no. We want to work with this and set it up with after pick, and it will be too annoying to fix that. If the user picks something, then changes the brush size, it's going to be very annoying. So. But that's also a good setting how we can see if we have picked up a lot of objects. Yes. Ooh, we're getting better. So where do you pick? We don't have much time left. 10 minutes left. We pick here. No, it's not here. Oh, come on, scene cell is where we draw. Game object, no. Okay, let's close all. Yeah, and just expand base class, and now we will have an easier look at all functions. This is one of the drawing methods, and in there that should be the pick function. Here it is, and let's expand it. Yeah, and let's also so After we do all of that, let's set up the size. To be vector free, to be the position. Oh, it's a bouncing. Size. Let's see what happens now. Hopefully this will change the size of the brush. Ooh, it does. I don't think only problem is that the pivot, we have to also change the pivot point. And now we can use the. So this is how we use the what's it called? and then it's going to be on the left corner. So for this, let's match the default brush behavior. So we pick something up, and it's then exactly where we stop with the mouse. I don't know. I want it to be in the middle. Okay, let's not match that behavior. It's hard to program, and it's not intuitive too. Pivot is going to be position dot center. Position? I don't think that's correct. No, that didn't do anything. That's why I hate these stack trays. It's like what the hell is this? I don't even know if it's from my own class here. Where's this coming from? And then when I restart the editor, it's gone. So. Can we cast this? Like, Pass vector free to this vector free integer. Ah, there we have it. Vector free integer as a method that this provides dot floor to end, and then we plug in this position. Just see if that does anything. It says that the pivot point is never used. So... Oh. Oh, it's not using the... pivot that I want to use. Oh, it was just a pivot inside of that method. Where's that box? No, the box is at this wrong position. Let me see. Let me see. Pivot. What does it mean? Anchor point. Unity brush. Anchor, pivot, Unity brush. Let me look what they define as anchor and pivot. I just want to be very specific. Pivot. Normalized position in this vector phone that it rotates around. So yeah, we want to actually change the pivot point. Position of the pivot with the spec transform relative to the anchor reference point. No idea. The position of the pivot, the spec transform relative to the anchor reference point. So what's the question is, what's the anchor reference point? The normalized position in the parent that the upper right corner is anchored to. You know what? Let's change the anchor here. You can just do that. Let's go to the 0 and look what happens if we change this error to 100. Nothing changed so far. 1,000. 10,000. It doesn't do anything. Anchor, you're useless. I thought it would be that the pivot point is what this bounding box is rotating around. Yes, but I thought the anchor would then change the position of the box. Actually, the pivot points, pivot point is changing it. So wait! I may be wrong. Let me check that out. No, that didn't do the trick. What if we say anchor equals the pivot? Now, these anchor values also don't make much sense. These make sense though. Oh, no, they don't make sense. So let's keep editing the pivots because it seemed to be correct. Just plug in something. So now this should put it to the right. Let's look it up. What? Yeah, now it's always 10 to the right, okay. We can just calculate, get the size, and say divided by 2. Fuck that. Yeah, I think that's way easier than to work with the center point here. Yep. Okay, that actually worked. I think we have to reset the anchor. No. I'm a little bit suspicious why it's drawing like this. Let's delete now. Okay, this is really a function how you can mess yourself up really fast. So it's only useful for deletion. Yeah, let's just say it's impractical for drag and dropping. If somebody wants to use this with game object, I mean, we could use the Linux philosophy, which basically says if you want to take a shotgun and blow your knee off, hey, do it. We don't have a problem with that. But on the other side, I don't know. Please don't. So this also, so when we are not using this group, it works normally. Yeah. That's actually okay. And then just give it a low pick chance and it should be fine if we want to just draw in something real fast. Yeah, why not? But in group mode, don't do it. Don't do it. It's a mess. Okay, but cry. Yeah, and the stream is over. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry, but that's it. I really would like to go on, and I will. I don't know if I will make it tomorrow or Tuesday. Don't know. On Tuesday I usually clean up my apartment, so I'm probably going to be offline. So, but I'm not. But I won't do check on Tuesday this time. So I will still do a workout. We'll do the workout at my company in the office. So I don't know about that. Yeah, maybe, so I don't know if I can say see you tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But I'm really eager to stream tomorrow again. Yeah, let's say it like that. Yeah, hopefully it will work, and then I will be able to put in some more hours. Now I'm really sad that it's already over. The weekend is over, and I feel like I still want to do more. I want to finish this, and I really want to continue right now. But I have to go. I need my sleep. Sleep is so important. And I will just go to bed right now. Just close everything. Go to bed. Goodbye. And see you again. Until we finish, and we will finish this. It's baby steps. But we take a lot of steps. We just enabled the box delete. Box delete is already complete. It's nice. It's already working in group and in normal mode. So it's a little bit of a surprise, but it's working very well. The box draw function, it also works, but it seems like there was a problem with the pivot point or anchoring in one of the brushes. Actually, the one that we were drawing with. So I guess we will have to hunt down that bug. And then we will have to see with the picker how we want to actually use that, if we actually pick something. So that's going to be after that. If we select something, pick it, and then want to draw it in, how do we want to deal with that? Yeah. So well, also the question will be, do you want to draw that in and then replace these objects? There's a lot of questions. I don't know how we are supposed to handle this. It's really what I can just say, okay, I'm doing this for myself, and I'm going to do this stuff that is most practical. And this is what I'm leaning to, but maybe I just want to provide functions, and people might do something with that. I could also just insert a toggle and say use the same objects every time. That's easy. It's such an easy function. Yeah. So better have that than to decide on something that the user is going to be unhappy about later. Okay. Well, I'm going off to bed. See you. And thank you for joining in.